everyone, happy Tuesday. I am barely logging on because I got out of work and we went to the mall, as you guys already saw. We had some returns to do and it just needed to be done. Not too much. Today it was a little bit crazy at the mall, but it wasn't too bad. And now I'm reheating our leftovers from yesterday, the lasagna my sister made. I'm making some salad and that will be dinner. I keep saying this, but I might bake something. We shall see, because I have nothing else to do. So maybe. All right, I've decided we're making muffins. But before I do, I want to show you guys a few wrapping paper and wrapping bags. No, gift bags that I bought at Target. All right, so this is one of the ones that I bought at Target. I thought it was so pretty. So it's just brown with the green trees. But it just looks so pretty to me, and it has like a bunch of different trees and stuff. So this is the jumbo apparently, which I thought was large. This is supposed to be a large, which I would consider a medium. This is supposed to be a medium, but I would consider this a small. And this one, I was thinking of using it for our nephew, but now we're not gonna be able to use probably this one or this one because they're too small for what I wanted them. Also, does anyone else's house look like this with all these boxes from Amazon to wrap? And these two, but we haven't done it yet, which is what I probably will be doing maybe tomorrow. So I got this one. So I got this one here, and I just thought it was really pretty because it has like the little Christmas trees, and then it has some golden stars. And this one is from the Wonder Shop. Then got this one, which is also a Wonder Shop. It's the same brand. This one is supposed to be little cookies, gingerbread cookies, I would imagine. And it has the gingerbread man, has a car, a tree, a house. So I just thought it was really cute. And then these ones, I just thought they were fun and they would match really well. These are also from the Wonder Shop. And then, how fun is this one here? But I really liked it because it's little snowman inside a snow cone. And how cute is this one? It has little cats playing with a little Christmas hat on them, and I just thought they were super cute. I'm excited to wrap our gifts. Like I said, I don't know when I'm gonna do it, either tomorrow or the day after, but I mean we gotta do it soon because Christmas is right around the corner. And I found this recipe that I'm gonna do, which are cappuccino muffins, and I'm gonna show you right now what it will consist of. All right, so here we have the two different bowls that I will be using for the batter. And here I have some instant coffee. We just buy one from Anthony's stuff, the same stuff I use from my hibiscus flowers. We really like that coffee. If I can find it, I'll link it below. It's from Amazon. We have some cinnamon, some cocoa powder. I have 2 eggs that that I left out so that they can be room temperature. That's usually the best for butter and eggs, but I always forget to take them out ahead of time. So we have that hopefully ready to go. We have the baking powder. I have some, it said vegetable oil, but this is the oil that I'm going to use. Have some chocolate chips. These are the ones that I like to use, the Bake Believe. I buy these on Walmart or at Walmart. They're like super clean. So here are the ingredients for them. They have no nasty, added junk. So these are the ones that I always have on hand for whenever I want to bake stuff with chocolate chips. We have some coconut sugar and the flour. Also, I'm going to be mixing 2 different recipes. So I'm going to make the batter of one recipe and the topping from a different recipe. But I'll go ahead and link everything below in case you guys want to remake it, and hopefully it turns out well. Also, these are my muffin tins. These are made out of like the wax paper, and I love using these. They look so pretty once you take them out. You guys will see once they're done. But I like these a lot better than like the regular cupcake with like the ruffles. I just feel these are like elevated, and they're super cheap. This one comes with 150, so these will last a really long time, and I feel like they're actually cheaper than the other cupcakes. So if you guys make a lot of cupcakes or muffins, I would recommend these. And they have like a ton of different ones. They have some that are colored. They have some that are like a newspaper looking wax. All right, so in here, I'm gonna mix all the wet ingredients, and then in the smaller bowl, I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients. So in here, I'm gonna put well, you're supposed to use espresso powder, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna use my coffee.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Alright, so I let them cool for about 15 minutes just so they would be a little bit more set. And we're gonna sample one. So this is what the little muffin looks like up close. What? Here is the inside of the muffin. Looks so pretty. We're ready for the trial here. Which one you want to pick?
I'll take this one. It's got a chocolate chip.
Cheers.
Got
Be
lots
careful
of
because it's
chocolate
very
chips.
dusty on
Oops.
top.
It's a little strong. Some coffee for taste.
Yeah. Pretty damn strong.
Yeah, that thing kicks you, but it's good. If you like coffee,
I think it would be good
you're
with milk.
definitely gonna like it. Yeah. This with a cup of milk.
Oh, the topping's kind of weird.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad.
It's not bad.
No,
It's strong.
it's not bad. But it is very...
I think the initial taste is just a little poof.
So yeah.
It's super strong on the coffee.
I would definitely agree. If you like coffee, you'll love these. If you're not a big coffee lover, you're just not gonna like it.
Yeah.
Because they taste a lot like coffee. I think it tastes like coffee. I think even if you don't like black coffee, you'll still like this. But you have to like coffee.
Yeah, you definitely
Regardless.
have to like
So,
coffee though.
But I would recommend. I'll link it below in case you guys want to make it. Let me know if you do make it. But with that being said, what is happening here? With that being said, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So hope you guys enjoyed it. It is about 10:49, so I'm gonna edit some vlogs to hopefully post them because I'm so behind. It's Tuesday and I haven't posted since Friday, so I need to catch up. And yeah, see you guys on tomorrow's vlog.